Hello guys, a new mining app for earning. This is our app. The link will be in the description, also on the first comment of the video. Like you see, this is the homepage of the app. Like you see, we complete offer, we claim the leaderboard, we watch stream, watch a clip, we can do case, we can invite friend. It's not, we have a bonus, very easy. We throw to PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Amazon, Roblox, Steam, Fortnite, like you see. But we will earn by watching streams. You open like that, you select a stream. You can make, if you have Wi-Fi or unlimited internet, you can make this start every night, make watch for you. Like you see, we make this 2 coins per minute. Like you see, you can make this and change quality here. You can change quality here. Like you see, you watch a stream, every minute you get 2 coins. Like you see, it's simple. You earn by watching streams and watching clips. It's a trusted app. It's paying 100%. The link will be in the first comment of the video. Let's see. Let's return. If you want to Litecoin like that, minimum is 2,500 points. It means you watch every minute 2,500. It means 1,215 minutes. Like you see, it means 2 days. 2 days you can withdraw. It's simple. You can work in watching streams. It take already the times. You can watch clips. You can take keys like that, earn coins. By I'd advise to watch streams to get 2,080 coins daily. It's simple. This is our app today. See you another video.